The warrant of arrest issued by the ICC for crimes against humanity. Sir,
Magandang hapon ho sa inyong lahat. Alam niyo, I do not know if you still believe in me. Nakatingin ako sa inyo, dapat magkita-kita tayo doon sa ating bayan. Kaya lang sa sitwasyon natin ngayon, kailangan talaga punta tayo sa ibang bayan maghanap buhay. Pero sa akin, the fact that malayo kayo sa pamilya ninyo, dama ko yung lungkot at alam ko yan kasi ganoon rin ako noon. Kaya OFW, magkikinig ako, OFW, mabuhay kayong lahat. Show to me now the legal basis for my being here. As apparently I was brought here not of my own volition. It's somebody else's. Kung hindi ibang tao, ikaw siguro, because this is your structure. So you have to answer now for the deprivation of liberty.
Asa si Bing Bong? Bong! Bong! Bong, halika Bong, tinan mo. Abusado kayo na sila. Abusado. Dili mo hindi dapat ato agianan. Ayaw ato agianan. Wala yung mga wala lagi wala. Bong, Bong, sis Bing Bong.
Ayaw na.
Magsakay tayo lahat dyan.
Ayaw ko magsama kayo dito ay magkaroon lakaw na ayaw ay nagkakaroon ng bata ayaw sila.
Ha? Yung si Betty. Ano na kayo doon? Oo.
Nahuwara mo ba?
the warrant of arrest issued by the ICC for crimes against humanity. Sir, you have the right to remain silent. You have the right for counsel of your choice. Anything you say may be used for and against you in a court of law. And I want to ask you, sir, if you understand these rights.
Of course, coming from you, it's very clear.
Now that you're asking, sir, for the basis of the warrant, the ICC issued a warrant pursuant to Article 25(3)(a) of the statute for crimes against humanity